Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add trending music on YouTube Shorts. Additionally, I'm going to teach you where you can find a bunch of music that are absolutely copyright free. So, the simplest way is first go to your YouTube app, tap on the plus sign, tap on create a short if you want to directly create a video. Or if you have already recorded a video earlier, tap on upload a video. Then tap on edit into a short. So here you can adjust the duration. Let's just make it 15 seconds. Then as you can see on top, there's add sound option. So just tap on it and choose from all the trending music there. You can even search for a song that you want. Also, if you want to add some voiceovers, you can do it by tapping on this mic icon on the right side. Tap and hold this circle button to record an audio. Just tap next and upload your video. Another way is to edit a short on CapCut. So open your CapCut app, then tap on New Project and select the video you want to upload on YouTube. Cut the video if it's too long. Just align the selector where you want it to cut, then tap on Split. Then resize your video. Just tap on aspect ratio, and YouTube Shorts ratio is the same as TikTok, so let's tap on this. Then use your fingers to resize the video. Once done, tap the add audio layer, then tap on sounds. So here you can choose from a wide variety of music. So choose one and add it to your video. Then just export your video and save it to your device first. Then open your YouTube app again and tap on the plus sign. Tap on upload a video. So here you don't have to add audio since we already added one on CapCut earlier. Just click on next, then upload short. Now if you're looking for music that is absolutely copyright free on YouTube, all you have to do is to go to your browser, then go to youtube.com/audio library. So as you can see here, there's also a wide variety of music you can choose from. You can even browse through different genres. To download, just play the music, and if you slide to the right, you'll be able to see a download button here. So just tap on download. Now you have an uncopyrighted music on your device. So go to CapCut again and just change the audio. Tap the add audio layer, tap delete, tap on sounds, then tap on the folder icon. Then search for the music you just downloaded. Then add it to your video. Then just export and save your video and upload it to YouTube. Now you can upload a video with uncopyrighted music on YouTube. That's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you and see you on our next video.